The Central Province is one of the 9 provinces of Sri Lanka, the first-level administrative division of the country. The Central Province is primarily in the central mountainous terrain of Sri Lanka. It is the 6th largest province by area and is home to 2.5 million people. It is bordered by North Central Province to the north, UVA Province to the east, Northwestern Province to the west and Sabaragamuwa Province to the south and west. The province's capital is Kandy. The cities of Matale and Nuwara are in the Central Province. The province is famous for its production Ceylon tea, planted by the British in the 1860s after a devastating disease killed all the coffee plantations in the province. The Central Province attracts many tourists, with hill station towns such as Gampola, Hattin and Nuwara. History. Though 3 successive European powers invaded Sri Lanka during the 16th to the 19th century, the Central Province maintained its independence until the early 19th century when the British managed to conquer Kandy. The British then established a colonial headman ranking system in 1824, which came into effect in 1832. Colonial head Mudalias So Cristofel de Silva, Don William Gunawardena de Saram III, Sir Hendrik Economica, Sir Alexander James de Varkara Mahotti, Don Agaris de Varkara Mahotti. The Mudalia office was abolished in 1924 and the last of the colonial headmen retired from their positions and gave up the rule to the British officers in 1926. All headman positions were then passed down to the newly elected Governor-General of Central Province. This was established in 1929 as a way for the British to directly rule the provinces. The historic Matale Town, Temple of the Tooth, Dambulla Cave Temple, Aluwahare Temple and the Sigiriya Rock are in the Central Province. Geography. The province has an area of 5,674 square kilometers and a population of 2,421,148. Major towns include Kandy, Matale, Dambulla, Gampola, Nuwara and Hattin. Mountain ranges. Knuckles Mountain Range, Adams Peak and Horton Plains are UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the Central Province. Climate. The climate is cool, and many areas above 1,500 meters often have chilly nights. The western slopes are very wet. Some places have almost 7,000 millimeters of rain per year. The eastern slopes are parts of the mid-dry zone as it is receiving rain only from northeastern monsoon. The temperatures range from 24 degrees Celsius at Kandy to just 16 degrees Celsius in Nuwara, which is 1,889 meters above sea level. The highest mountains in Sri Lanka are in the Central Province. The terrain is mostly mountainous, with deep valleys cutting into it. The 2 main mountain regions are the Central Massif and the Knuckles Range to the east of Kandy. Demographics. The population is a mixture of Sinhalese, Tamil and the Moors. Many tea plantation workers are Indian Tamils, brought over to Sri Lanka by the British in the 19th century. Ethnicity. Administrative divisions. Central Province is divided into 3 districts and 36 divisional secretariats. Districts. Divisional secretariats. The districts of the Sri Lanka are divided into administrative subunits known as divisional secretariats. These were originally based on the feudal counties, the Kerals and Ratis. They were formerly known as DRO divisions after the Divisional Revenue Officer. Later the DROs became assistant government agents and the divisions were known as AGA divisions. Currently, the divisions are administered by Divisional Secretary, and are known as of DS divisions. There are 36 divisional secretariats in Central Province, which are listed below, by district. There are 20 in Kandy District, 11 in Matale District and 5 in Nuwara District. Major cities are maps. Searchable map of Sri Lanka.